For a DIY budget-friendly flooring upgrade, luxury vinyl tile and luxury vinyl plank give the best mix of affordability, durability, and simple installation. Luxury vinyl tile and plank come in rigid core and flexible formats. Rigid core offers a wood or stone look with a stable click-lock installation that can float over most existing hard floors, while flexible vinyl is thinner and best when you can fully prepare and level the subfloor. Choose waterproof or water-resistant products when installing in kitchens, bathrooms, mudrooms, or basements because they prevent moisture migration and allow quicker cleanup after spills. For subfloor prep, remove loose trim, pull up high spots, and use a floor leveling compound to smooth dips larger than 1/4 of an inch over a 10-foot span. This prevents telegraphing where seams show through the vinyl. Always acclimate box planks or tiles for at least 48 hours in the room at normal living temperature to reduce expansion gaps or buckling after installation. Cut pieces accurately with a utility knife and a straight edge for vinyl plank and tile. Score and snap flexible vinyl and use a fine tooth saw for rigid plank end cuts when needed. When gluing is required, choose an adhesive recommended by the manufacturer and work in small sections with a roller to avoid trapped air. The most common mistake is skipping subfloor preparation, which leads to uneven seams and early wear, so take the extra time to clean, level, and dry the surface prior to laying product. Another frequent issue is ignoring acclimation, causing planks to expand or contract after installation, so always store and condition materials in the installation room for the manufacturer recommended time. A third problem is poor edge transitions at doorways and thresholds that create tripping hazards or visible gaps. So, plan transitions with metal or wood trim pieces and leave the proper expansion gap specified by the product, then cover it with a matching transition strip. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and also helps contractors find new work by listing projects and leads that match skills. We host a discussion community where we and other members share installation tips, product recommendations, and real-world experiences.